today we are going to discuss this question, and the first part of this question we have already discussed in previous lectures, and in this lecture we will discuss second and third part. Okay, and in this question, in this part we will calculate the slope at A, B, C and D, at A, B, C and D. Okay, now it starts slope at A, slope at A. Okay, at A, this is the Macaulay method. Okay, in Macaulay method we have three moment terms. First term due to reaction, second term due to this 30 kilonewton forces, and third momentum due to 40 kilonewton forces. Okay, so for 8a, slope 8a, it means we will put the value of x because we are taking the value of x from a. Okay, so the value of x is equals to 0, slope 8a, value of x is equals to 0, and dy dx is equals to, this is the slope at a. And for a cases, this is the distance from a to c region, and in this region we will consider only first term of moment due to reactions. Okay, because at x is equals to 0, it is available in a to c region, and in this region only we will consider only first term of moment. Okay, now from the slope equation we know that our slope equation is 5 and deflection equation is 6. Okay, and this is the slope equations 5, and we considering only first term. Okay, and put the value of x is equals to 0 and dy dx is equals to dy dx a. It means this is the slope at a. Okay, now put the value of x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, and after solving this equation we get value minus 75.1. Okay, now EA is the constant, transfer this side and downward side and put the value of EI. EI is given in the question, value of EI given in the question. So now put the value of EI, value of E is equals to 200 into 10 power 6, and value of I is the moment of inertia, 7332.9 into 10 power minus 8. After solving this term we get the value of slope at A. This is the value of slope at A in radian. Okay, this is our slope at A, 5.121 into 10 power minus 3 at A. In next we'll calculate the slope at C. Okay, at slope at C means put the value of x is equals to 1, because C, what is the distance from A? The distance of C from A is 1 meter. So put the value of x is equals to 1 meter at C. Now dy dx is equals to C, and at C it is also in region A to C, because this term, this forces, it means reaction, this reaction is effective from AC to region, A to C region, and this reaction and this force are effective from C to D region, and all the three terms are effective in D to B region. Okay, so in this case A to C region, because we are calculating x is equals to 1 and slope at C. Okay, now consider only first term, and from slope equation number 5, this is our slope equation now, and put the value of x is equals to 1 in this equation, and we will calculate. After solving this term we get the value of this term is equals to minus 85.1, minus 85.1. Now EA is a constant, and transfer this downward side, and EI minus 85.1 EI dy dx at A. This is not a slope at A, this is a slope at C. This is the slope at C, this is not a A. Okay, C, C and C, this is the slope at C. Okay, now x is equals to 1 at C, dy dx is equals to C. Put the value of dy dx is equals to C. This is not a. Okay, now 85.1 minus 85.1 and put the value of EI, value of E is equals to 200 into 10 power 6 and 7332.9 into 10 power minus 8. This is the slope value 3.96 into 10 power minus 3 radian. This is the value of slope at C, not a. This is the value of slope at C. Okay. And next is slope at D. Slope at D. Now we will calculate the slope at D and put the value of x is equals to at D. What is the distance from A to D? This is 1 meter and 2.75 meter. Total distance is 3.75 meter. Okay, and put the x is equals to 3.75 meter is equals to at D, and dy dx is equals to D. Okay, the dy dx is equals to dy dx at D. It means slope at D. And in this case, we are calculating the slope at D. So consider the first term and second term. Okay, before the D, 30 kilonewton are effective and 34 kilonewton are effective. So consider both the terms, first and second. It is also region C to D. In region C to D, consider A and C. It means moment due to 34 kilonewton and moment due to 36 kilonewtons. Okay. Now consider first and second term. From the equation number 5, this is our slope equation, first term and second term. Put the value of x is equals to 3.75 meter. Put the value of x is equals to 3.75 meter and 34 3.75 square by 2 minus 75.1. This is the value of C1 minus 30, and x value of x is equals to 30.75 minus 1 whole square bracket whole square divided by 2. After solving this whole term, we get the value is 50.525. Okay, this after solving this term we get the value 50.525. Okay, now EI is a constant, transfer in downward side and put the value of EI. Put the value of EI. Okay, this is the slope at D. This is the slope at D, not to A. Okay, and value of EI is given in the question. E is equals to 200 into 10 power 6 and 7332.9 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, this is the moment of inertia and this is the Young modulus of elasticity. Okay, and whole term is modulus of rigidity. After solving this term, and we get the value is 3.445 into 10 power minus 3 radian. Okay, this is the slope 3.445 into 10 power minus 3 radian. This is the slope at D. This is the slope at D. Okay, and next slope is slope at B. For B, we will calculate the slope at B. So in this case, we put the value of x is equals to 5 meter, because value of x is start from A and we are calculating the slope at B. So value of x is equals to 5 meter. So put the value of x is equals to 5 meter at B and dy dx is equals to B. This is the slope at B. Okay. In this case, we are considering all the terms because we are calculating the slope at B. This is the D2 B region. So we are considering all the three terms. Okay. Consider first, second and third term. Okay. From slope equation, this is our slope equation, and put the value of x is equals to 5 meter. Put the value of x is equals to 5 meter in this equation and get dy dx is equals to dy dx b. Okay, and dy dx b is equals to 34, value of x is equals to 5 and 75. This is the value of c1 minus 30, and x value of x is equals to 5 meter divided by 2 and value of x is equal to 5 meter. And after solving this all the terms, we get the value of 78.65 after solving these terms, and we get this value 78.65. Okay, and EI is a constant, transfer in downward side and put the value of EI. Value of EI is given in equation. Okay, in our equation, so value of E is equals to 200 into 10 power 6, and in I is the moment of inertia, 7332.9 into 10 power minus 8. After solving this term, we get this value 5.363 into 10 power minus 3 radian. Okay, this is the value of slope at B. Okay, this is the value of slope at B. So our second question is completed because we have calculated the value of slope at A, C, D and B. Okay. Our third question is maximum deflection of the beam. Our third question is maximum deflection of the beam, and in this case we don't know where is the maximum deflection. So first we assume that the deflection is maximum in the region CD. Okay, by this deflection curve, we can see the maximum deflection is available in C to D region. Okay, so we are assuming that our maximum deflection is available in C to D region. Okay, and we know that at point dy dx is equals to 0, and we also know that where the maximum deflection is available, the value of slope equal to 0. At maximum deflection, value of slope is equals to 0. Okay, and dy dx is equals to 0. That point maximum deflection occur. At any point dy dx is equals to 0, that point maximum deflection occur. Okay, using equation number 5. Equation number 5 is slope equation. In CD region, we are considering only first and second term. Okay, due to reaction and due to 30 kilonewton forces. First and second term, and this is our slope equation between C to D region, first and second term. And we assume that x is equals to x1. We assume that x is equals to x1 and dy dx is equals to 0. X is equals to x1 between C to D region, dy dx is equals to 0, because we know that maximum deflection is C to D and value of slope is also 0 in C to D. Okay, so put the value of dy dx in between CD is equals to 0. Now put the values. Dy dx is equals to 0, CD 34, value of x is equals to x1 square by 2, and this is a 75, this is C1, value of C1 30, and x is equals to x1. Now after solving this equation, we get this equation 2x1 square plus 30 x1 minus 90.0 equal to 90.1 equal to 0. We get this equation after solving the above equation, and we get the value of x1. Value of x1 is equals to 2.56 meter. Okay, 2.56 meter is in between C to D. It means our assumption is correct, because value of x1 is equals to 2.56 meter, and at this point deflection will be maximum. X is equals to 2.56 meter, deflection will be maximum and slope will be 0. Okay, now calculate the deflection, maximum deflection at x is equals to 2.56 meter. Okay, 2.56 is also region in CD. So in deflection equation we consider only two terms, first and second term. Okay, now x is equals to 2.56 meter at between CD region, and y is equals to deflection is deflection maximum. Consider first and second term. Okay, and from equation number 6 is our deflection equations. Okay, and put the value of x is equals to 2.56 meter in deflection equation, and we get the maximum deflection. We will get the maximum deflection. Okay, now put the value of x is equals to 2.56 meter. This is our equations, deflection equation, first and second term, and 34 into x, value of x is equals to 2.56 meter cube, and divided by 6, 75.1, and x is 2.56 minus 30, x is 2.56 and minus 1 whole cube divided by 6. This is all the numerical terms, and solve this equation. After solve this equation, and we get the value is this value minus 116.13. After solving this term, this value is okay 116.13, and EI is a constant, transfer this downward side, and we know the value of EI. Okay, given in the equation. So put the value of E value of E is equals to 200 into 10 power minus 6, 6 plus 6, 10 power 6, and 7332.9 to 10 power minus, and this is the value of I is the moment of inertia. After solving this term, we get this value minus 0.007918 meter in meter. Okay, if you are converting in mm, then multiply by the 100. Okay, now y is maximum, it means deflection, maximum deflection equal to 7.91 into 10 power minus 3 in meter and 7.91 in mm. Okay, now this is the maximum deflection are available at 2.56 meter. Okay, and our assumption, the assumption that the maximum deflection within the region CD x is equals to 2.56 meter is correct. Okay, so in this case maximum deflection is occur at 2.56 meter, and at 2.56 meter slope is 0 and deflection will be maximum. So our assumption is correct. Okay, thank you, that's all for today, and next lecture we will discuss next method or moment area method.